Hello everyone, today we will see how to make these cards design in HTML and CSS. It is completely responsive on mobile and desktop sizes. It is completely responsive. On the desktop side it has 3 columns and on the mobile side it has 1 column. Let's start it. Create the index.html file and create the style.css file. Write the HTML template. Give the title responsive calls design. Link the CSS file. And first of all, write the container file. Container. In the container, create a section called the grid section.grid, and in the grid there is 1 row, and in the row there are 3 columns. The card have 1 image. After the image there is some content. Give the content class. In the content there is 3 elements. First is dash, then the title, and then some text. So create the span dash element span dot dash, give the audio and title, read our title. After the title there is some text. This is 1 card. Copy it 2 times. Now fill in the images, source, any title. Let's place the images from the unsplash. Copy this image. It is looking like this. Let's start writing CSS for it. Select the star element and reset margin and padding. Margin 0, padding 0, and give box sizing, border box and font family of sans serif. So all the margins and paddings are removed and the sans serif family is applied. Let's give the width to the container. Width of 80% and center it using margin. Auto. The width is 80% of the page and it is in the middle of the page. Now let's center the grid. Display flex. Align item center. Justify content center and give the pattern to top and bottom. 5 and top and bottom and 0 and left and right. So that these 3 items will remain in the center of the page. Select the row element and apply the display grid. We need 3 columns for it. So write the property grid template columns 1 F4, 1 F4, 1 F4, 1 fraction each. So let's try each card, row, card, and image, width 100%, height 300 pixels. And select the image. Give it to width 100% and height of 100%. Give the hair overflow here. So these are 3 columns. Let's get some space between the columns and right here gap of 2 rand. So some space is coming between the columns. Write the objective property object fit cover so that the images will not separate. And transition all 0.2 seconds is. Now give the styling to the card element. Row card width of 100%, max width of 420 pixels, background color white, and border radius of 0.510 and overflow hidden, and give both shadow 0 pixel 1 rem RGB 8 0 0 0 0.1, and give the transition property transition hour 0.27 ends. So this is coming here, the shadow is coming here, and border radius of the card is showing here. The corners of the card are formed. Now let's try the content of the cards. Row or content. Here is the padding 2 and above and bottom, and 1.4 and left and right. So here it is. Some space is coming around the text of the card. Select the badge element. Background color of RGB 0, 142, 95. Color of white. Padding 0.25 and 0.5 m. Above and bottom is 0.25 m and left or right 0.5 m. Border radius of 1 m. Display inline block. Font size 0.7 m. And margin bottom of 0.5 m. So this is the audio badge. Now let's try the title of the card. Row card, content, title, font size 1.1 m, color RGB 1873 to 55, font weight 500, and margin. Top is 0.5 m, left and right, left 0 and bottom 1.5 m, and left is 0 m. 0.5 m above and 0 m to the right, 1.5 m to the bottom, and 0 m to the left. This is the heading of the card. Now let's try the text. Row card, content, and the text. Font size 0.85, then color RGB 175, 175, 175, and give the line height of 1.75 m. The color is changed and the line height is increased for the text. Let's give the hover to the image of the card. Row card. When card is over, image and transform it to scale of 1.1 and rotate -3 dB. When mouse is on the card, the image will scale and rotate. Now let's make the cards responsive on all the screen sizes. Write the media to the media screen and max width of 768 pixels. Select the go element, and now we need to keep only one column for the cards. So copy this, paste it here, and remove the two columns from here. So now let's refresh it. Now the card is becoming responsive on each mobile screen and desktop size. On screen size it is 1 column and on desktop size it is 3 columns.